We've created a sensory wall. What it does is it helps children with a variety of diagnoses work on communication skills, fine motor skills, just even socialization to be able to interact during their times in therapy. It's auditory, so we have the ones that play music. We have some tactile things that the kids can feel and move around. The visual, just the colors in and of itself. The kids love to look at themselves in the mirror. The wall gets used every day. It gets used multiple times throughout the day with the children coming in and out for their therapy.
We have Kim, that is our occupational therapist, and Heather, our speech language pathologist. They see a lot of kids in our department, and they came together with this innovative idea, came to me, and it was very exciting. They're very passionate about what they do, and we put our heads together with a lot of other departments here in the hospital, and we were very fortunate to put this idea into fruition.
Sensory wall helps foster language development. It helps foster some relaxation, focus, which are all important things for us to have our kids experience whenever they're in therapy. Sometimes it helps my kids transition from the waiting room because my room is past the sensory wall. So it lets them stop, get ready to work, have some enjoyment, and then other times I use it as a reward. So at the end of our sessions, they know that they can skip out a little bit early and have some time on the sensory wall before they go back to mom or dad.
My son Tommy, he has talked nonstop since he was about 2 years old. However, none of it quite made a lot of sense. It's a play therapy, so he thinks he's here just playing games and playing with toys, where he's actually learning how to articulate and speak well for everybody. He loves the walls. When we're waiting before it's our turn to go in for speech therapy, he plays with everything on the wall, so it's really nice.
At ACMH, we want to be a leader in healthcare in all aspects here in our region. We encourage individuals to basically be creative and develop new ideas. We would like to keep the patients here in the community so they don't have to travel on a regular basis down to a facility like that. So having these innovative new ideas just goes further to keep our patients and families here in the region.
I honestly feel like she opened this whole new world for him, because now he can communicate with people, so now they understand him. He's doing very well at preschool this past year because of what he's received with Miss Heather.